At first I didn't want it. Her daddy, well, we didn't fit. But I couldn't swing it, I was scared to do it alone. 17 and pregnant, not what I had in mind. Her daddy was a farmer, but not the wealthy kind. I wanted to be a dancer, but not the kind I'd dip for pay. Who was this new person that was getting in my way? I could have walked out, left her for dead, cut her out with my own hands, but something in me was kicking and screaming to live. When the world's at stake, there are lives to save, and even though I shake my hands at God, I pray, let her have a better life than I can provide. Lord, have mercy on my soul as I try to do her right. It took a long, long time to understand God's plan for me. He threw me down the river, beat my blushing Kankakee. By the time my water broke, I was deep in my own debt. But when I saw her face, it was easy to forget. I knew I had to get her away, take her to where my debt was paid, a new beginning, a place I'd never been and never seen. When the world's at stake, all your dreams, they change, and every step you take is for another's sake. And even if she grows to hate me, I won't change my course of heart. Lord, have mercy on my soul if we ever grow apart. You think that I resent her very being, that maybe I regret her ever needing a mother? Is it wrong that I enjoy to ride her? I may be rash and overprotecting, not bitter. I suppose I could be softer,